Good morning, sir. I am Yamuna. Now I am pursuing MSc Electronics and Instrumentation. Now I am presenting Morrison's gain formula. First of all, we should know path. Path అంటే ఏమో మీకు తెలుసు. First, forward path. A path connecting from the input node to the output node. First of all, we should know y1 to y2, y23, y2 to y3, y3 to y4, y4 to y5, y5 to y6. First forward path is A, B, C, D, E, and y2 to y3, y3 to y5, y5 to y6. These are also this path is also forward path. First forward path. P1 equal to y1 to y2, y2 to y3, y3 to y4, y5 to y5, y5 to y6. Gain of the first forward path is P1 equal to A into B into C into D into E. Second forward path. y1 to y2, y2 to y3, y5 to y6. P2, the gain of the second forward path P2 equal to A into B into G into E. Next, loop. A loop ante a path which starts and ends at the same node. L1 equal to y2 to y3, y3 to y2. 5 individual loops. First loop is y2 to y3, y3 to y2. Second loop is y3 to y5, y5 to y3. Third loop is y3 to y4, y4 to y5, y5 to y3. Loop 4 equal to y5 to y5. Gain of the loop L1 is
స్క్రీన్ కనపడట్లేదమ్మా, షేర్ చేయాలి అది. రైట్ గో ఆన్ స్లైడింగ్ దట్ పేజ్. ఏ పేజ్ అయితే ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నావో ఆ స్క్రీన్. రైట్, వెరీ గుడ్.
Gain of the loop L1 is B into J. Gain of the loop L2 equal to G into H. Gain of the loop L3 equal to C into D into H. Gain of the loop L4 equal to D into I. Gain of the loop L5 equal to F. Next, non-touching loops. Loops with no common nodes. Loops with no common nodes. First pair is y2 to y3 to y2. And L1, L5. L1, L4. Gain of the first non-touching loop pair is L1 into L4. B into J into D into I. Gain of the second non-touching loop pair is L1 into L5. B into J into F. Now start. Delta equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gains plus sum of gain product of all possible 2 non-touching loops minus sum of gain product of all possible 3 non-touching loops. Now substituting all the equations, above equations. Delta equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gains ante L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L5 plus sum of gain products of all possible 2 non-touching loops ante L1 into L4 plus L1 into L5 minus 0. Delta equal to 1 minus sum of all individual loop gains ante L1 ante B into J plus G into H plus C into D into H plus D into I plus F plus non-touching loops B into J into D into I plus B into J into F. The gain of all the branches, the forward path P1 is 0. Delta equal to 1 minus B into J plus G into H plus C into D into H plus D into I plus F plus B into J into D into I minus 0. The gain of the all the branches touching the forward path P1 is 0. Delta 1 equal to 1. Delta 2 equal to 1 minus sum of all the gain of all branches touching the forward path P2 is 0. Delta 2 equal to 1. Now delta 1 equal to 1, delta 2 equal to 1. Mason's gain formula. Transfer function equal to output output by input equal to P1 delta 1. Transfer function ante output by input equal to P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 by delta. First of all, transfer function equal to P1 means P1 equal to gain of all the branches A into B into C into D into E. Delta 1 equal to 1 plus P2 gain of P2 is A into B into J into E. Delta 2 equal to 1 into 1 divided by 1 minus B into J plus G into H plus C into D into H plus D into I plus F. B into J into D into I plus B into J into F into 0. Finally, transfer function equal to A into B into C into D into E plus A into B into J into E divided by 1 minus by B into J into plus G into H plus C into D into H plus D into I plus F plus B into J into D into I plus B into J into F. Thank you, sir.